A mouse pointer moves as per the movement of the mouse. Desktop, the normal system has mouse, whereas on a laptop we will found a touchpad which will work just like a mouse. So mouse consists of left button, right button, a scroll wheel, and a magnetic or a laser light at the bottom which records the movement of the mouse, and according to the movement of the mouse the cursor also moves on the screen. There are certain types of click, like if we are clicking the left button only once, okay, it is known as left click, which can be used for selecting the words just like this. Left click. Double click, that is if we are pressing the left button twice just to open a program or a file. Like if I double click here, Google Chrome's get open. If I'll double click here, File Explorer gets open. So by double clicking on the left button of the mouse, which helps to open a file or a program, is known as your double click. Then we have right click, that is pressing the right button of the mouse is right click. Then we have drag and drop. In drag and drop, like if we are pressing the left button press and we are dragging, if we are pressing the left button press and if we are dragging the content, can you see the content is moving because I have pressed the left button, and without releasing the left button I am moving the mouse and the content is moving along with me. So this is known as your click and drag option. Click and drag option, where we keep pressing the left button and we are moving the mouse and as per the movement of mouse. Beta isme I have kept the left button pressed. Don't release the left button. If you will release the left button, wherever you will release the content will be dropped at that point. देख लीजिए. So without releasing it, if we keep pressing it, the content is known as your click and drag. Now comes the next is your okay, we have done the click and drop button. Now we will be starting with one of the program which we had done and which was quite interesting and very much very much interesting for the students, and it is Tux Paint, where you have painted the different drawings, you had done coloring of different drawings. All you have done in this program. So let's start with Tux Paint. In Tux Paint, a penguin shape program icon has been shown. This was the screen when you open the Tux Paint, has been shown in front of you. Consists of different tools like paint, stamp, lines, shapes, text, magics, eraser, and different types of brushes. I hope every one of you had done the drawing and enjoyed this topic in your previous class. If you want, you can practice it out, the same program today only for the revision purpose, where you can use these different tools, stamps, to create a wonderful drawing. These drawings consist of your starter also. Like I have a Tux Paint program in with me. It's getting opened up right now. Tux Paint is opening. Tux Paint, Penguin gets open. Tux Paint, Tux Paint. Okay, it's started now. Oh, so we can save it and we can do it as per our requirement. Once we have done the drawing, or we had went with the starter package, okay, we had colored up so many drawings. You can also do the drawings today only. Once we have done this, we had also learned how to save and open the saved drawings. For saving the drawings, we have to click on the Save tool. We have to give a proper name to our file and it can be saved in computer's memory, which can be used or which can be accessed afterwards as per your requirement. For opening the saved file, you have to click on the Open tool. Once you have clicked on the Open tool, find that particular file and click on it. The same drawing will get open in front of you. After that, the last chapter which we had done in the previous class is your text editor program, or we can say the word processing program. Word processing program, such programs which helps you to type, edit and format the text. Such programs are known as your text editor. A program which is used to write letters, words and sentences are known as text editor. The text editor program which we are using here is Getedit. Okay, and it has been told told you how to open them, what are the different parts of it, like basic parts which are available with every program. Now first part will be your title bar. Title bar of any program which appears at the top of the window. Always remember that title bar will appear on the top of the window, like here. If you can see my cursor, it is one of the title bar which shows the name of the application or the name of the file, and also consists of three buttons: minimize, maximize, close button. So this is the upper part is your bar is your title bar. After the title bar, we have a menu bar, basically consists of different menus: file, edit, view and so on. Now these menu bar have different options, different commands in them which we can use as per our requirement. Then we have toolbar, consist of different tools. As you can see, students, I'm just comparing the bars or the contents with the programs I have shown here. The bars which I'm talking, like title bar, menu bar, status bar, okay, these bar are common and available in almost all programs with the same description. The status bar, sorry, the title bar which I have described here will be same in almost every program. Every program has a title bar. every program will have a